This is both a fun one and a cool one today, principally because I know the zombies are coming eventually. Eventually they're going to get here, and we're all going to need to do a little better on our own than what we do in modern society. In real terms, I don't think the zombies are actually coming, but I have been through Superstorm Sandy where we had no power for 2 weeks. I have been through other hurricanes where we had no power for weeks. And I have now moved to Florida, and I think the chances of us having a hurricane and having no power for a while are pretty darn good. Listen, other things that's gone on in my life. This is just simply my life. We lived outside of New York City. 9/11 happened. All kinds of crazy stuff could have gone on there. Overall, it ended up pretty good for society, but there are a lot of ways we could have had to end up taking care of ourselves a little more than we normally do. And so this is from Practical Survival, and it is such a cool kit. It comes with 5 of these straws. Each of these straws will clean 1,100 gallons of water down to 0.1 micron. So that is not going to, it's not going to take chemicals out of the water. It's not going to take chlorine out of the water, but it's going to take out debris and muck and all those kind of things. Definitely move the ball more in the direction you want it to be. There are actually 2 ways that you could use this. Like, you could use it both as a straw. You can just take this, pop this off the bottom, right? Pull this off here. Plop this in a stream or something like that. You want to be able to drink the water, and you can just use it as a straw. Drink the water directly like that. My personal favorite party trick, check this out. Haha, look, I came prepared. So let's say instead of just sipping it out of the stream, you took the stream and you put the water in your handy dandy water bottle you have with you. Look at this. You just screw it on like that. Oh. You just screw it on there like that, and look at that. It's not the quickest thing in the world. I mean, it's just going kind of like dripping through, but you're not going to be in a rush if that's going on in the world. You could just let this sit, and you'll have clear water for you to drink. I think that is absolutely a great thing. Are you as entertained and impressed at this as I am? I find this absolutely incredible that something so small and so light can do so much for you. It's really ridiculously cool. Listen, I hope I never need to use it other than on like a fun camping trip or something like that. But at the same time, this is definitely something you want to have in your closet just in case. It's definitely picking up pace there. Look at it go. Oh, I'm spraying water everywhere. All right. I hope this has been helpful. I hope this hasn't been too silly. Before I go, if you're finding this as entertaining, helpful as I am, please subscribe, give this video a like, put in a comment below. Do you think the zombies are coming? Let's talk about it, because I think the zombies, I know I said they're not coming, but maybe the zombies are coming. Anyway, I hope this has been helpful. We'll see you next time.